Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Valuation of goodwill on super profit basis. In this method, goodwill is valued on the basis of super profits earned by firm. Super profit is the amount of excess profit that can be earned by a firm over and above the normal profit usually earned by similar firms under similar circumstances. Calculation of super profit. Calculation of average profit earned during the past few years. Calculation of normal profit, capital employed into normal rate of profit by 100. Calculation of super profit, actual average profit minus normal profit. Valuation of goodwill is super profits into number of years purchased. Example, a firm earned profits in 3 years, first year 7,200, second year 8,400 and third year 9,600. Capital employed is 40,000. Normal rate of return is 12% per annum on capital employed. Calculate goodwill on basis of 2 years of purchase on super profits. Here computation of profit is average profit is 7,200 plus 8,400 plus 9,600 by 3 is equal to 25,200 by 3 is equal to 8,400. So normal profit is capital employed into normal rate of profit is equal to 40,000 is the capital employed, so 40,000 into 12 by 100, 12% is the normal rate is equal to 4,800. So super profit is average profit, that is actual average profit minus normal profit is equal to 8,400 minus 4,800 is equal to 3,600. So valuation of goodwill is super profit into 2 years of purchase, so 3,600 into 2 is equal to 7,200. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.